Hello, we have the power line today. As you can see, it's not metal. It's like a material plastic, but it's hard. You have the clip here. Here's the clip. So look, this is how it works. Or it's safety. On safety. Okay, so I just got this thing. So look, this is how you do it. The clip is here. A 15-shot magazine. So as you can see, your clip is here. So you don't have to lose your clip. This is a very nice thing. It looks like a cockpit, but it's really not. And the air cartridge goes right here. Right here. It's a brand new gun. And we have my other gun. The 6954 Magnum. Okay, alright. This is how you will use this one. One sec. Okay. See, it's a one-shotter. On the power line in the back. This a Marksman repeater. So this gun's old in real life, but it's still worth it. Like this silencer on here. Got the scope on here. See, let's go to BB gun, one shot. No. And I got another video up there, and I will have one of my shotguns coming up soon. So follow.